So here we have the dendrites, and information comes into the dendrites, or they receive information from other cells, and is then passed on to the soma, or the cell body, which continues on to the axon hillock. Here at the axon hillock, information is sent, and if enough information goes into the hillock, it will then basically dump out and pass on to the axon. The axon passes messages away from the cell body to other neurons. Surrounding the axon are these kind of circle-like things called myelin sheath, which cover the axon and help speed neural impulses. In between are a series of gaps or segments in the myelin sheath, which are called nodes of veneer. Information basically moves down the axon from segment to segment, moving from node to node. So it will then eventually reach the terminal branches here of the axon. And once we hit the terminal branches, the electrical impulses stimulate the release of neurotransmitter molecules. So these molecules are being held in tiny vesicles and pass through these terminal branches like so. And once they pass through until they hit the synaptic gap. And once they hit the synaptic gap, they bind to receptor sites on a receiving neuron and eventually will, kind of connect and pass this information on to the next neuron.